When our children cry and they are in pain, we get pain in the heart. Why? Because it is from Allah. He put the love in our hearts. And there is no limit for love from Allah. One of the name of Allah is Al-Wadud, which means the God of love. Now people are, making a different definitions of love. And they are giving some particular days and particular time for the love. And then we as a believers, we as a Muslims, we don't do this. We love every day. We don't have the limit for our love. We love our loved ones every day of our life. We don't specify, we don't need to do the Mother's Day and Father's Day and this day and this day. No, because you are limiting your love for a particular day. Don't do this. Do the love every day. Love is an essential for our belief. As the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, you cannot enter to paradise if you have no belief. And you cannot become a believer until you love each other. So loving each other is a part of the faith, and the faith is essential for us to go to paradise. So no need to do this kind of things that the such day is the day of love, and this day is a love of Mother Day, and this is the Father's Day, so you love your father. No need for this all. We need to love every day. Dapat araw-araw tayo mahalin. No need to love once a day or once a year or some certain week or some certain season. No. Allah doesn't teach us like this. He made us obligatory to love each other all of your life. I was listening the people, the list of the 4 people. Even in Ramadan, even in Laylatul Qadr, Allah will not forgive these 4 people. We should not be among these 4 people. And who are these 4 people? The one among this is the one who drink alcohol and is always drunk. One of the person is the one who is disobeying to his parents, who is hurting to his parents. And one of the person in that list is those who are keeping the hatred for other people. If you keep the hatred, masamang loob, and you keep it in your heart, then Allah will not forgive you even in the Ramadan. Clean your heart. Don't hate anyone. When you hate someone in your heart, then you are destroying your own heart. So keep your heart free, keep your heart clean. Forget and forget. Even if you are the people who are really, you need to have some revenge or you need really to have them to pay back, still forget them until you see them. Don't keep in your heart. Because when you keep something in your heart, the heartful, you are destroying your own heart. Because that kind of feelings is like fire, and the fire burns the heart. Same way also the jealousy. This is a temporary world. If you see someone is very rich and he has lots of money and has a big houses and like this, and you jealous with that person, he cannot keep it forever. He will die left here, and then next life, don't know where he will going. But because you are jealous to him, you are burning your good deeds. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the jealousy or the envy can burn your heart the same way the fire burned the wood. How the fire burned the wood? The jealousy or the envy can burn your good deeds the same way. And the Prophet ﷺ always told us to look at the people who are below us and don't look at the people who are above us. Because when you look at the people who are below us, we will be always grateful to Allah and not to be ungrateful. What we keep in the heart is love always. As I said, it is very common and it is natural to love our children, to our brothers, our sisters, our parents, our wives. But to love someone you really don't like to love, when you force yourself to love someone for the sake of Allah. For example, a person you really hate and you don't like to be close to that person, but now he asks for sorry and then now you still hate, but you will remove your hatred for the sake of Allah and you will convert it to the love. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, love your brothers, your sisters, and say to them that I love you. And that is a very important teachings in Islam, to always go for the love and not to go for the hatred. And we don't love once a year, that certain day in February, or certain days, Mother's Day and Father's Day and Children's Day and Uncle's Day and this day and this day. No, this is all rubbish. We need to love every day of our life.